my thing till I'm out on top. No doubt.
555 in Astable mode. Things we will need: an E555 timer, pin 1 is grounded. Pin 8 is connected to 5 volts. Pin 2 is connected to pin 6. Make sure both rails are grounded. One kilo-ohm resistor from pin 8 to pin 7. Ten kilo-ohm resistor from pin 7 to pin 6. .1 microfarad capacitor from pin 5 to ground. LED to our pin 3 output. Tie a 220 ohm resistor to it. Power up your breadboard. We will tie a capacitor from pin 2 to ground. Our capacitor value will determine speed of timer. This equation calculates the output voltage frequency. The frequency is the number of output pulses per second. First capacitor is for 0.7 microfarads. Notice how fast the pulse is. Lower capacitor value equals faster blink. Higher capacitor value equals slower blink. We will now use a 100 microfarad capacitor on pin 2. Subscribe for more electronics content.